Outfit check.
Then I wake you up, got your coffee in the morning. 깜빡이는 눈빛 내게 먼저 해줘 kiss back. Show me 한 끊어진 머릿결도 너무 자연스러워.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Glide, and yes, this is my first time doing an intro in my YouTube channel here. As this vlog is a very special vlog because I'm going to Carles. Yes, you heard that right. I thought I wouldn't be able to travel to one of my dream place this year, but thank God, you know, he provided with an opportunity for me to go. Those who don't know, I'm from Iloilo. I'm an Ilongga, and I just turned 18 last December 12. So this is gonna be my first travel as a legal age girly. I'm very excited, guys, to show you the rest of this vlog. And check, guys, it's 10:55. My travel to Carles is not just a simple travel alone, because this is a year-end party, I guess. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I was invited by acquaintance of me. There was a trip ongoing to Carles and it was free, and I was invited, so who am I to decline? Especially Carles is my dream place. I want to make this vlog as a core memory, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I know na babalikan ko yung travel na to next year. Our call time tomorrow is 4 AM, so I'm gonna wake up probably at 3 AM. I already packed my things, pero just to make sure and just to make everything going smooth. So that's it. See you guys tomorrow morning. Bye! Hey guys, so nandito na ako sa meeting place namin. Nandyan na yung mga kasama ko, and hinihintay na lang namin yung iba pa namin kasama kasi wala pa sila. Besides, umuulan guys, so parang, you know, matatagalan yung iba. Pero may service naman kami. Makasama namin guys. Nahiya kaming pumunta doon. Dito na lang kami. That's my plan. Outfit check. So guys, we're here at 7-Eleven. Breakfast guys, kasi hindi kami kumakain ng breakfast. I learned a sandwich, pero I think I'm going with spam silog. Base bala maglakad na sila. Anong oras na? Anong imo? Anong imo? Ang fillet. Fillet na lang guro ako. Guys, I think I need coffee para hindi ako antukin. Going with vanilla.
Aywa. Oo eh.
Ito lang yun na tagad mo ang gamit ha. Skincare makeup.
Gigamay ko na.
Hi guys, so time check, it's 8:25 and nag-stop by kami dito sa isang restaurant kasi gutom na kami. Almost 4 hours of travel na. See you later pag nakapunta na kami. Outfit check after eating. From TikTok shop, from Picay.
Ang sapat, ang ano yung sandal?
From Tinda.
Ang ano? Ang cap.
Gift. To check your skirt. I don't know. Sakay doon. After you beach head.
sa resort. We're waiting for the program to start. Set up ang ng table pero magsisimula na rin. But first, I wanna tour you sa place.
Ako, ito, mas masaya si Mother. Okay? Sa resort. Wala may magawa sa resort, okay? So, okay na. Target.
Pasugdan ka nga. Pagkabas ka kaya makulay.
Ibon, wala na itong batang. Wala na bataba. Lakat. Ano ba?
15 kita, no?
Yes, 15.
We're going to check in na.
Guys, room tour. Where's our bed, guys? Time check, it's 3 p.m. and natulog ako kasi sobrang pagod ako during the biyahe. And tapos ng biyahe, kumain pa kami ng a little bit of session, so pagod ako. So kakagising ko lang din nag-makeup ko kasi babalik ulit kami dun sa venue and then we're going to have another activity for the day. So yeah guys, see you later! Say hi!
Isang supiyo.
Doon.
Oo, kadulong ka ata.
The visitors.
Mga rich tita.
Wala naman ako. Gaboni, masugod ka pa? Nabili ka yan.
You're my friend. Check, and it's 7:57 p.m. and kakatapos na namin mag-night swimming. And ngayon, mag-dinner lang kami kasi nagutom din ako kakaswing and late na ako kasi nga sinulit ko pa yung swimming. But anyways, I'm going there para kumain na. So, see you guys there. Bye! Dinner, guys!
Ako will be
is December 22, 7 a.m. Kakagising ko lang and we're going to drink coffee. Actually, kami pa lang yung gising sa kasama namin. So, tayo.
Nakasosyal pagigit.
Oh, tidak na lang.